we start from the beginning, because the way to the ultimate truth is really to become the context instead of the content. To make one's life a prayer. To become that which people talk about. To be kindly, to be forgiving, to see and witness the sacredness of all things. And if you stay with the context continuously, eventually what you witness is that everything comes about spontaneously, all on its own. Everything happens automatically as a consequence of the very nature of reality itself. There is no personal you doing anything. All is happening of its own. All you have to do is reject the vanity that there is an I causing all that to happen. The willingness to let go, seeing yourself as cause. All happens spontaneously. So with humility, you say to the mind, you see what's happening, but you don't understand it. You don't understand it. All you can provide is an explanation. And an explanation is not the reality. The explanation is extraneous to the reality. It has to be in order to be an explanation. So, with sort of a deep humility, you begin to witness that everything is happening spontaneously of its own. Because there is potentiality. Potentiality then manifests as an actuality, and it does so by the power of the field, not by the power of you. Minor little correction. Makes the difference between heaven and hell. Minor little correction to withdraw the illusion, the grandiosity. It's really a narcissistic grandiosity, because the ego, the core of the ego, the narcissistic core of the ego, believes it's God. You can see that in politics all the time. All right, so what you're asking is not such a minor thing, and therefore the ego puts up quite a resistance. It provides argument and all kinds of things. All right, so don't go with the ego and don't listen to reason, because that's its playground. It plays with your head. Don't let it play with your head. Say, I don't want to go there. It's a matter of witnessing.